Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing inspections, especially with the downpipe. For instance, I have a Ktuner downpipe and I'm running Fearable Stage 3 tune. So basically, in order to pass inspection, you're going to have to remove your tune. In some cases, if you didn't have Fearable, for instance, and you were running a Ktuner downpipe, for instance, I have an RV6 Ktuner downpipe, you won't necessarily have to revert the tune back to stock depending on how many monitors you turn off. For instance, New York State, which I'm in, you're allowed one to be turned off. So when I was running Ktuner regular stage 2 off-the-shelf map, the only code I had to turn off was for a P039. That was like a slow O2 sensor reading because of having the Ktuner downpipe. So with that one turned off, I should have easily been able to pass. There won't be an issue. But since now I'm running Fearable Stage 3, you have to turn the P039 off. You're going to have to turn the P0420 off and the P297 code off. So that basically means that you're going to have 3 monitors that are turned off. And with that said, you won't be able to pass inspection because they're going to show not ready. The car runs perfect. That's just the way the tune's set up to run because technically it's an off-road tune. We all know how that works. So basically all you need to do is revert back to stock. Once you're on your stock tune, you can drive around. For instance, by the time I got a check engine light with the Ktuner downpipe, it was over 700 miles, and there's a good chance because it was cold. If it was hot, it probably wouldn't have even popped the light on. So basically, reflash the stock and drive around 15-20 minutes just to get your drive cycles going. Go get inspected, you're good to go. Then go home, or even from the site, reflash your car and you're good to go, and you will pass inspection. You won't have to remove the downpipe. A lot of people aren't sure of it. I wasn't exactly sure until actually having gone through the process, so I wanted to share that with you guys because that's important information. Nobody wants to start pulling a downpipe out, putting it back in, especially on this car. It's a pain in the ass. Some cars, it's super easy. They go in, out, you're done. But in this case, you definitely have to just flash back to stock if you're running a tune like me, Fearable Stage 3, or any tune that turns more than 1 monitor off in this state, New York. Other states, you have to find out what you're allowed to have on or off or whatever it is, but that's the case with this. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer. I'm just going through the journey like most of you, so I like to share my experiences on, what actually happens with all the things I do with the car. So I just like to provide, good database as well as for myself, for everybody, which is cool. So yeah, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.